Alright guys, so welcome back to my channel. This is GHkin. So on this video I'm going to continue with the yoyo kalon hair. I showed you guys how I actually made the wig and everything. So I finally decided to like undo the curls. So this is how it's looking like now. I left two, let me show you guys, to show you guys how, where's the part I actually did it. Okay, so I have these two that I'm going to show you. It's very simple. So all I did was to grab the hair like so and just see, this is the hair. If you undo the curl, you will actually find where the curl actually separates, and then I will just go like that, and that's it. Then I will just leave it. But if it's looking like this, like see the curl is looking frizzy, I just go like this. I just stretch it, then release it, then it will go back to being curl. So let me do the other one, and then I'm going to wear it for you guys to see how it actually looks like now. I haven't worn it because I wasn't done separating the curl. I left to just to show you guys. So I will try to undo the curl and then look for where it actually separates naturally, and then that's it. And when I'm done, I will stretch it just a little bit in case the curl looks frizzy. And basically that's it. So let me wear the wig to see how it actually looks like. Then I will see if I will trim the hair. Okay, so now this is how the hair is looking like after I wore it the right way. Oh my god, like so annoying. Okay, so this is how it's looking like now. I don't really, I mean, it looks bigger than it did before, of course, but I'm going to try to pick out the roots to see how it will look like before I decide to shape the hair, because I think I want it to look like a bang, but I'm gonna have to pick the roots first. Because yeah, I mean, I do like it though. I do like it. Alright guys, so first I would like to trim off the hair so it will have an equal length, because some of the hair is longer than the other, which is to be expected because I didn't even trim the hair when I first made it. So I'm just gonna go in really quick and just be trimming the hair. I'm not gonna do a lot of trimming because I don't think it's really necessary. I think most of the trimming that needs to be done is at the back of the hair because it's so longer for some reason. I wasn't planning on doing so, but my hands just got out of handed. Okay, I mean the scissors got out of handed, so that's what I ended up with. So I'm gonna show you guys how I'm going to do this side really quick, but at first let me just cut this off. So I do like it. I think, yeah, I prefer this one than what I had before, definitely. So instead of picking up the hair, I just thought like if I did that, it's gonna look very messy, and I don't want to lose the definition of the hair. So like I just decided to like just trim the hair so it looks shorter. So yeah, basically, so this is what I've been doing. I hope you guys like it. Alright guys, so after doing a lot of trimming to the hair, this is what I ended up with. I love it. I think, yeah, it suits me. Honestly, I feel like I look like a door. I don't know why, but this is the end result. I do like it. Let me know what you guys think. This is the back of it. Let me know what you guys think. Do you prefer the hair before, or do you prefer this one, or do you prefer me just twisting the curls, or what you think? I'm really loving this. I have my bang going on, so that's awesome. I honestly, you guys know I wasn't a fan of this part because it's just too big, so I'm very happy I'm able to actually hide that. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of the hair. So far I'm loving the hair. I think it's cute, it's short, and it definitely suits my personality, so I am loving this. So let me know what you guys think of the hair. I used 5 packs to actually make this wig. I'm also going to link the video up there for you guys to see how I actually made this wig. So for now, this is all I have. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Their goal for 2018 is to get 1,000 subscribers. So subscribe if you haven't done so. I love you all, and God loves you more, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.